Did you know 84% of people hit snooze at least twice every morning? And honestly, I used to be one of them. But here's the wild part. Waking up early isn't about willpower at all. In fact, forcing yourself. That's why you're stuck. Today, I'm handing you the secret keys to becoming a morning person. No gritting your teeth required. Let me guess, you've tried all the hacks. Cold showers, chugging water, putting your alarm across the room. Been there, cried over spilled coffee there. But what if I told you the real problem isn't you? It's the 3 huge myths we've all been sold about mornings. And once you ditch them, game changer. Here's the plan. First, we'll punch holes in those toxic myths keeping you exhausted. Then, I'll show you the freakishly simple science of your sleep cycle. Like, why your 3 a.m. TikTok scroll is sabotage level. Finally, the no willpower method that'll have you waking up before your alarm, feeling like a Disney princess. With coffee. Myth number 1. You need 8 hours. Period. No. Sleep quality over quantity. Ever slept 10 hours and still felt dead? Your body craves cycles, not clock time. I'll show you how to hack yours later. It's easier than IKEA furniture. Promise. Myth number 2. You're just a night owl. Science says chronotypes are flexible. Your night owl status? Probably just bad habits on a loop. Remember college? You woke up for 8 a.m. classes. Okay, sometimes. Myth number 3. Just be disciplined. Willpower is a band-aid. The fix? Working with your biology. Imagine your body wanting to wake up. That's the magic we're unlocking. Your sleep isn't a flat line. It's 90-minute roller coaster rides between deep, light, and REM sleep. Wake up mid-cycle. You'll feel like a zombie. But nail the timing. Fresh as lettuce. I'll drop a free calculator in the description. It's stupid easy. Ready for the secret sauce? The 3-step sunrise method. Number 1. Light hacking. Use sunrise lamps or open blinds. Your body's like, oh, it's morning? Bet. Number 2. Cycle syncing. Calculate your ideal bedtime with the 90-minute rule. Number 3. The 15-minute rule. Adjust your schedule in tiny chunks, not 2-hour leaps. We're not masochists here. Here's a tonight hack. Dim lights 1 hour before bed. This bad boy costs $15. Red light equals melatonin boost. Or tape red paper over your lamp. Classy? No. Effective? Try it. But I have kids. I work late. Heard you. This method bends to your life. Start with one change. Maybe just a light hack. Small wins build momentum. You've got this. Hit subscribe if you're ready to own your mornings. Next week, why your afternoon crash isn't your fault. You'll want to see it. Just kidding, LOL. Smash the bell so you don't miss it. And hey, if this helped, pay it forward. Share it with your fellow snooze button addicts. Mornings don't have to suck. You just needed the right tools. Go crush it today. I'm rooting for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It's going to go a long way planning my early mornings for me.